Hey guys, look at this. We have a heavy box from the mail. And what alarm is going to be? And we better throw these away. Because sticky tape is sticky. So let's throw that in the trash can of the kitchen.
Okay.
Let's see where they're going to be. Hey, a Firelight BG12.
Alright.
L.
Cool.
And I have my Willock RSS.
Mm-hmm.
And my GXS strobe, the 120.
Okay.
And another one, that one's a BG12.
Okay.
I also have this SL24W strobe.
Okay.
And my 98380 remote strobe.
Okay.
And here's a National Vigicor 1S.
Mm-hmm.
And I also got this Spectral. I have the System Sensor S2475 Spectral Alert remote strobe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, this will be a System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced box. See?
Mm-hmm. Cool. Put it next to the other ones so then then I'll get a picture of all of them when you're done. Right.
And I have and it's gonna be this is gonna be a E270.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Very nice.
I'll put those up after when we get done with the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Mine this. I have this heavy box.
Mm-hmm. What's in that heavy box? Whoa.
An EST speaker strobe.
ESP speaker
Yes.
strobe?
Yes, that's an
Okay.
EST speaker strobe. That sounds like an Edwards EST speaker strobe.
Oh, okay. That's it?
Not yet.
No more?
One more.
Oh boy.
What is it gonna be? What is this gonna be? Oh, here's the box.
There it is. What's that?
An Edwards 270 SPOWB.
Whoa.
Nice boxes.
Yes, look at that. Look at all of those. That is cool. Alright, you all done?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it? I can stop the video?
Yeah.
Alrighty.